Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI the fun way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for this week we have two people that needed things translated. And the very first person that needed something translated was Jossiah. Jossiah, once again, thanks again for your continued support. And these are the things that Jossiah wanted to know. The very first thing that Jossiah wanted to know was, I didn't mean any disrespect, and that in TWI can be said as manyɛ mɛbu animtea. Again, manyɛ mɛbu animtea. One last time. Manyɛ mɛbu animtea. So manyɛ means I didn't mean. Mɛbu animtea, and nimtea basically means disrespect in this context. So again, manyɛ mɛbu animtea. Now the second thing that Jossiah wanted to know was, where from this? So from that, I wasn't sure what he wanted to say, right? So I'm guessing he wanted to say, where is this from? Now that in TWI can be said in the following ways. The very first way one can actually say that would be 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘕. Again, 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘕, which is where is this from? 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘕. One last time, 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘕. Now the second way one can actually say this would be 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘕, which is where is all of this from? Again, 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘕. One last time, 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘕. And the other way one can actually say this would be 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘕, which is where is this thing from? Again, 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘕. One last time, 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘕. And the last thing that Jossiah wanted to know was, look at that woman, she is beautiful. Again, look at that woman, she is beautiful. Now that in TWI can be said as hwɛ saa maame no ne ho ɔfɛ. Again, hwɛ saa maame no ne ho ɔfɛ. Right? But if you literally stretch it out, it will be hwɛ saa maame no ne ho yɛ fɛ. Again, hwɛ saa maame no ne ho yɛ fɛ. But usually when we're speaking, we don't usually pronounce the ye. We just say hwɛ saa maame no ne ho ɔfɛ. But you can also say hwɛ saa baa no ne ho ɔfɛ, or hwɛ saa baa no ne ho yɛ fɛ. Whichever one works, right? Jossiah, again, thanks again for your continued support. And the next person that wanted something translated was Mujeeb. Mujeeb, thanks again for your continued support. And these are the things that Mujeeb wanted to know. The very first thing that Mujeeb wanted to know was, did you meet her at home? Again, did you meet her at home? Now that in TWI can be said as Wohyiaa wɔ fie. Again, Wohyiaa wɔ fie. Remember, in TWI we don't have him or her. It's represented by no. So once again, Wohyiaa wɔ fie. So Wohyiaa is meet. So Wohyiaa is basically, did you meet the person? No wɔ fie, at home. So again, Wohyiaa wɔ fie. Now the second thing that Mujeeb wanted to know was, I have even forgotten what he said. Now that in TWI can be said in two ways. Now the first way one can actually say that is, werɛ nneɛ ɔkaaeɛ. Again, werɛ nneɛ ɔkaaeɛ. One last time, werɛ nneɛ ɔkaaeɛ. So let's break it down. Werɛ is I've forgotten. Nneɛ ɔkaaeɛ is whatever the person said. So again, werɛ nneɛ ɔkaaeɛ. Now the second way one can actually say that is werɛ afi nneɛ ɔkaaeɛ. Again, werɛ afi nneɛ ɔkaaeɛ. One last time, werɛ afi nneɛ ɔkaaeɛ. Now the next thing that Mujeeb wanted to know was, who do you know that sells it? Again, who do you know that sells it? Now that in TWI can be said as Hwan wonim 𝘮𝘦𝘴𝘗𝘮𝘤. Again, Hwan wonim 𝘮𝘦𝘴𝘗𝘮𝘤. One last time, Hwan wonim 𝘮𝘦𝘴𝘗𝘮𝘤. Let's break it down. Hwan is who. Wonim, do you know? 𝘮𝘴𝘗𝘮𝘤, that sells it. Again, Hwan wonim 𝘮𝘦𝘴𝘗𝘮𝘤. One last time, Hwan wonim 𝘮𝘦𝘴𝘗𝘮𝘤. Now the last thing that Mujeeb wanted to know was, don't let me be the one waiting for you. Again, don't let me be the one waiting for you. Now that in Twi can be said as Ɛmma menyɛ nipa ɔbɛtwɛn wo. Again. Ɛmma menyɛ nipa ɔbɛtwɛn wo. Again. Ɛmma menyɛ nipa ɔbɛtwɛn wo. One last time. Ɛmma menyɛ nipa ɔbɛtwɛn wo. So to break it down, if you say Ɛmma menyɛ is don't let me be. Nipa is a person. Ɔbɛtwɛn wo. Bɛtwɛn is wait. Twɛn is wait. So nipa ɔbɛtwɛn wo is somebody that will be waiting. So bɛtwɛn will be waiting. Wo is you. Or you can even say Ɛmma menyɛ obi a ɔbɛtwɛn wo. That also works. So you can either say Ɛmma menyɛ nipa a ɔbɛtwɛn wo or Ɛmma menyɛ obi a ɔbɛtwɛn wo. And I have two translations from a good friend of mine, and he wanted to know the following. Wash the clothes. Now that in Twi would be si ntadeɛ no. Si ntadeɛ no. One last time. Si ntadeɛ no. And the second thing that he wanted to know was go read your books. Now that in Twi can be said as 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘳𝘦𝘴𝘱𝘦𝘤 no. Or you can say 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘳𝘴𝘳𝘦𝘴𝘱𝘦𝘤 no. So you can say 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘳𝘴𝘳𝘦 no or 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘳𝘴𝘳𝘢. One last time. 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘳𝘴𝘳𝘢, which is kind is read or count depending on the context, right? So 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘳𝘴𝘳𝘢, nwoma is books. So again, 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘳𝘴𝘳𝘢, or you can say 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘳𝘴𝘳𝘢 no, which is go read that book, which is a specific book. Right? And guys, from last week's translation, right, I forgot to add one more translation to the translations that I did. So there's another way of saying this is not nice in Twi. Now that in Twi can also be said as 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘳𝘢. Again, 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘳𝘢. One last time. 𝘥𝘪𝘴𝘳𝘢. So guys, that's it for this week's lesson. I just want to thank each and every one of you, to all my old subscribers and my new subscribers, and for the guys that haven't subscribed yet but are viewing the content. I appreciate each and every one of you. All I can ask for is, guys, please continue spreading the word, right? Let anyone who wants to learn Twi or find out what Twi is about come to this channel, and I hope that if they go through the content, right, they'll love it enough to actually subscribe. And guys, remember, if you do love the content of the channel, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And if you want to get better in Twi, right, please go get the Twi Junior Pro app. It's on Google Store. With that and these lessons, you learn Twi quicker. And remember to also catch us on our live sessions. I usually push out a notification 3 days or 4 days before the live session, so please stay tuned, and please join us with all your questions and whatever you want to find out, either from me or Mark. Guys, lots of love from me, Kwesi. See you next week. Bye.